So, one more question in biology. How do you prove that starch is formed in leaves during photosynthesis? How do you prove that starch is formed in leaves during photosynthesis? So, reading question two, three times you read the question and try to understand what is asked in the question. Then starch is formed in leaves during, you know the diagram. You draw this diagram first of all. At the middle of the page, you draw the diagram and label the parts. So next thing is you divide this answer into 5 headings. First one is aim, second one is operators or materials, third one is procedure, fourth observation, fifth result. So aim is you write whatever be there in the question. What is that starch formed? How is the starch formed in leaves during photosynthesis? You write aim as I want to find that starch is formed in leaves during photosynthesis. Question from the question, a part of the question will become your aim. So aim is easy to find starch formation, how starch is formed in photosynthesis, or whether starch is formed during photosynthesis. That is the aim. Operators, whatever the diagram you have drawn, you write down all those operators and materials. For example, you write beaker, comma, write a boiling water, leaf, methylated spirit, boiling tube, asbestos gauze, tripod stand, Bunsen burner, petri dish, iodine solution. So like this, whatever be there in the diagram, you write operators. So 2 points over. You have written aim, for that you get 1 mark. For operators you get 2 marks. So don't worry, 1 or 2 marks as per the marks allotted by the examiner. Second thing is procedure. You write the procedure point wise. So here I have given some points. Point number 1, take a green thin leaf from a potted plant or from a garden plant. That is the first point. So what is the second point here? Take a tripod stand, put on the table. So what is the third point? Put asbestos gas on the tripod stand. Step by step. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Next, what is point number 4? What you do after that? You put a Bunsen burner under the tripod stand. Very simple language you can use. There is no need of any complex sentence. What is the fifth point you write? From the diagram itself we are writing. Fifth point is put a beaker on the asbestos gas. Sixth point is what? Put water in the beaker, or take water into the beaker. Sixth point. What is the seventh point? Take a tube, take a test tube, put in it green leaf and put it in the beaker. Take a test tube, insert a leaf and put over the beaker. Next point, eighth point is what? Take methylated spirit into the test tube. See, step by step. What is the ninth point? Ninth point is when you ignite the Bunsen burner, you find that green leaf will turn to pale white color. Green leaf will turn to pale white color. That is 9 points over. What is the 10th point? Take a petri dish. 10th point. What is the 11th point? Drop iodine solution or betadine solution. What is the next point? 11th point is placing that pale leaf on the petri dish. 12th point is drop iodine solution over the leaf. So what is the third point? You can observe that pale leaf will turn into blue black color. So likewise you have written 13 points. So one page is over. I think your one page is filled up. Aim you have written, operators you have written. Aim you have written by seeing the question. Operators you have written by seeing the diagram. Procedure also you have written by seeing the diagram. So what is the observation? It is already we have seen here. So observation is in the methylated spirit after boiling, green leaf turned into pale white color, and when you pour iodine solution, that pale white colored leaf has turned into blue black color. Observation. So we have written entire answer by seeing the diagram. So if you are thorough with your diagram, you can draw the diagram, you get marks for diagram, you will get marks for the notes also. So what is the result? What is the result? Same thing. So when iodine solution is added, the leaf has turned into blue black color. That indicates that starch is present in the leaf. Starch is present in the leaf. So your answer is completed. You get full marks for this. You have written aim, you have written operators, you have written procedure, observation, result, without by hearting the textbook or notes. Just by seeing the diagram, you have completed your answer and you will get full marks also. So this is the way students should develop creativity. They should stop by hearting and they should write themselves. Okay.